No. Her mane really goes on the other side. We just flipped it over so we could see her spot on the other side. There's her butt. Can't really see her legs. Sophie. Her legs are supposed to be white. Sophie, show her your head. Come here, pretty girl. Pretty girl. Yeah, you got a little white spot on your neck, don't ya? We'll fix your mane. Go back on the other side. Here's her other side. Yeah. Good girl. She needs her feet trimmed, obviously. Chad's coming Wednesday, isn't he?